All right, so implement the function called split then join according to its docstring. I'm gonna go ahead and copy all of this over to my terminal, over to my code editor. And notice I have a string that I'm going to use to check to see if this works in the way that I would expect. All right, so split then join, we're passing in a string, delimiter, and we're replacing the, so whatever we determine that delimiter to be, we're going to split the string along that, and then the new delimiter is going to replace the old delimiter in the new returned version of the string. Let's think about this one at a time. We pass in the string, and we want to split it on the delimiter. So I'm just going to call this the split string, and this is going to take, right, string.split, and let's split on the delimiter. And then all we need to do is our join trick. Like all we really need to do here, I believe, is say let's return that split string. And remember, this is a list at this point, and we can say something.join that split string, and what we're going to join on is the new delimiter. Oop. So I believe that should work. And I don't think I'm missing anything. I'm going to go ahead and just for the moment delete this docstring so we can see it all in one place in case I need to troubleshoot anything. I'm going to take that string, right, which I called string to check, just a random thing from Wikipedia, and I'm going to split on spaces. And instead of spaces, my new delimiter is going to be dashes. So let's see if that works. Oh, I should probably print it so that we can see the results. That looks reasonable, right? That looks like we've replaced all the spaces with dashes. Okay, let's see if that works. And then I'm going to show you another way that we might be able to trick this and solve it. Let's see if this works first. It's taking a while to run the tests. I'm not sure about that. Oh, okay, that worked. Now, this is nice. This is a single line solution. Notice that split string here, we don't really need to make its own, we don't need to make a namespace for that. We can just take that and put it directly in there. Okay, so this also would work. There's something that I want to see if it works. Let's just return the string dot replace. Let's try this. Let's replace the delimiter with the new delimiter. Let's see if this also works. It seems like it should logically be the same, but offhand I don't know if this will pass tests in the same way on this problem. Oh, it doesn't. It doesn't. Interesting. Okay, why is that? Because delimiter is not defined. Well, okay. Delimiter, we actually want this to be delimiter. So let's try that again. And that worked as well. Okay. So notice there are two distinct ways that we can solve this. We can solve it with, doing this new delimiter.join string.split of the delimiter. That works, but honestly, we're just replacing the delimiter, aren't we? So we could just use the replace method instead.